So my social life was pretty active. Maybe my professors wouldn't be happy to hear this. I don't know if this is a good thing to say, but I probably spent a considerable amount of time playing ping pong, to compare to my studying this semester. I think it has a lot to do with the person as opposed to the atmosphere you're put in. Because when I started as a CCP student, I had this horrible, this idea that college students were scary, and they thought that high school students were stupid and didn't want to be around them. So they just want, to know that everybody's in a good atmosphere, everybody's happy, everybody's having a good time. And Firelands is just as good as a place as anywhere to get that kind of atmosphere. Every day I walk in here, I know 10 people. I'm always saying hi. There's always somebody to come hang out with. So to me, it's home.